Hello, today in front of me I have Motorola Moto E40 smartphone, and in this video we would like to show the best display settings to change on this device. Alrighty, so let's go ahead, launch the settings and enter the display category. And the first cool feature that you would highly recommend that you check out yourself is called the dark theme, and once activated it moves the interface colors of your phone more into the darker tones, into the darker gamut, and makes everything look black, basically black and white. Not like black and white, just everything that was bluntly white, it makes to look darker, grayisher, or even more into the black tones. So if you do not have the sufficient ambient lighting around you, you can use this dark theme, or if you would like to conserve, preserve, and save some of the battery health you have left, this is a cool mode to have activated. There is also a bonus feature inside the dark theme that allows you to set certain time frames for this mode, for this theme to be automatically enabled at, as well as disabled at. The next option is called Night Light, and once activated, as you can see, it tints your screen amber, preventing the eye fatigue by filtering out the excess amounts of blue light, or, long story short, simply makes the interface colors significantly warmer. So if you are feeling like your eyes are very tired from looking at the screen, don't be afraid and turn this feature on. As you can see, there is also this intensity bars that allows us to change, adjust, and regulate the intensity of night light, as well as the same schedule feature we had for the dark theme. Alrighty, the next option is called Colors, and there are 3 presets to choose from, and those presets allow us to choose how the colors of our interface, how the colors of our system will look exactly. There is this very convenient preview picture that very visually shows us the colors that we have gone for. I'll go with boosted, for example. And the final option feature that is related to the display settings and that we would like to highlight in this video is called screen refresh rate. So there are basically 2 values to choose from, 60 Hz as well as 90 Hz, and additional auto value as well, so it makes it 3. Basically, the higher value you go for, the smoother and silkier animations and overall visual experience you'll get, but at the same time it will consume significantly more power, more battery health. So if you have sufficient amount of battery, as I do at the moment, you can just go for the 90 Hz, even choose them manually, and enjoy the smooth and silky animations. Or if you would like to conserve, preserve some battery health, just choose the 60 Hz. Or, as I've already mentioned, there is this third value that is called auto, and once chosen it will automatically switch between 60 and 90 Hz as per the display refresh rate, in accordance with the current system state, usage scenario of the system, and current battery health as well. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.